Pick Me, the Heart Tune. A soulful tutorial style ad blending music, art, and a message of connection. At Influence of Art, every piece starts with a feeling and ends in something you can hold, wear, or play. This is how we turn our healing art into INK-Pics. Homegrown guitar picks that don't just strum strings. They tune the heart. Whether you play to heal, to feel, or to be heard, this pick is for you. And every INK-Pic starts with a simple ask. Pick me.
Pain on my fingers, hope on the page. Turn to feeling into something you can cradle on a stage. Each note a whisper, each drum a start. This little piece of plastic is shaped from art. Girl, pick me when the world goes dark. Pick me when you're playing your heart. From brush to string, let the music begin. This INK-Pic's got a story within. Born in the studio, baptized in light, pressed from emotion, made to ignite. It ain't just a pick, it's a prayer, a protest, a love song, a breath of air. Final pick me, let the silence part. Pick me when you need a spark. This ain't just sound, it's soul from the start. This INK-Pic will reach your heart. Let the silence part. Pick me when you need a spark. This ain't just sound, it's soul from the start. This INK-Pic will reach your heart.